Have you been wondering if anyone has been spying on you through your cell phone? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to RayHunter, an open source project that detects if anyone is using an IMSI catcher or a Stingray. This type of device is used to intercept cell phone data before it reaches the cell towers. It's a type of man-in-the-middle attack. So let me put it this way. You have your cell phone, then you have your cell tower, and in between those two you have somebody in a van with an IMSI catcher or a Stingray. And when you send a text message, usually it goes straight to the cell tower. But if there's a Stingray or an IMSI catcher being used, you send a text message, it goes to the IMSI catcher first, then it goes to the cell tower. Now, what all do you need to make this device? You need a wireless hotspot called the Orbic RC400L. It's made by Verizon. You can find it on Amazon or eBay for cheap from like $20 and up. Now on eBay, there are some sellers that sell it with the firmware already on it for $100, but I recommend you doing it yourself because it's way cheaper and you get to learn from it. And here's a list of other devices it will work on. They have info for installing RayHunter on those devices on their GitHub. Now, before you get scared, this is very simple and easy. They have step-by-step instructions on the RayHunter's GitHub, and I will be using those as well. Now, you will need to use some type of Linux. You can do it on Windows, but it's a lot harder. I almost forgot to mention, you do need a nano size SIM card. It doesn't have to be activated, but you will need one. They cost around $3 on Amazon. Now, let's discuss how to navigate the device. You'll press the menu button to cycle through the menus, and you'll press the power button to select. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to tap menu till we get to 5G or 2.5 info. Press the power button to select, and your password is right there at the bottom. Make sure to keep note of that. Okay guys, now let's start the install. So you're going to want to head to this link. I will put it in the description. We'll scroll down to releases. And then we're going to select our zip. And we'll extract it. Go into the folder, and in here we're going to want to right click, open in terminal. Now we're going to plug in our device. Go to instructions, installation. We already extracted it, so we don't have to worry about this one. Then we're just going to run this. And you're going to want to put your password. The device is rebooting. So how do I know if it's working correctly? When it powers on after the reboot, there should be a green line at the top. If there isn't a green line, then it didn't work correctly. Now that the install is complete, you're going to want to head to 192.168.1.1 port 8080. And this is what the web UI looks like. Shows your current recordings. You can download the PCAP. System information, so RayHunter version, your storage, your memory, and your battery life right here. You have your logs tab, and this is going to show you the logs of the device. You can report your issue on their GitHub page, and it will take you straight to their documentations page. So down here you have your history. It shows all the packets that it's captured. Thankfully, none have any warnings. And you can download these as well. Then down here you have your configuration tab. So I think this is pretty cool. So this is the colored line. You can have it where it doesn't show it at all, so it's very inconspicuous. Then you can put it in demo mode, which shows an Orca GIF. And then you can have it where it just shows the EFF logo. I like the subtle line mode. And down here you can make it where you can record whenever you want, just by double tapping the power button to start and double tapping to stop. They have a colorblind mode, I'm not colorblind, but I prefer the blue line over the green line. Then you have your notification settings. This is using NTFY, which is a notification server. And it'll let you know if there are any warnings and if the battery is low. And then the analyzer heuristic settings, you can change the IMSI requested heuristic, connection redirect 2G downgrade, LTE, SIB6, and SIB7. I don't know what any of this stuff is. The only thing I recognize is IMSI. And then you can have the no cipher, NAS, incomplete SIB, and test heuristic, which I think is noisy, like it says. And that does it for the web UI. So, how do you know if it detected a Stingray? If that green line at the top turns red, it possibly detected a Stingray. You can look at the packet yourself with Wireshark, or you can just send it straight to EFF and they'll take a look at it and determine what happened. I highly recommend doing that. Unless you're an expert at it, then do what you do. And that's how you build a RayHunter. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know your opinion. Have a great day. I'm signing out.